grab the night, grab the night, grab the night.
It was another day in the Roblox Squid Game.
Do what you want 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
I've traveled many miles, yet all the way from the Nile. Haven't seen the sun for a while and my tomb had stayed undefiled. Awoken by a voice inside my mind. My resting place is broken once I pry without a choice, and then I start to climb. Out to the world, I take a rise. As bright as the first time I laid eyes when Mom had a birth to a pharaoh so vile that he tried to murder me, throw me down into a human pile. Mom was in major denial. How could the love of her life have been something like what keeps her up through the night? She'd been wondering why would the pharaoh ever do such a thing? I wouldn't think that he'd kill off the future king. But here's the thing, he had a dream, a vision he had wherein I was the king, and I had uncovered unspeakable acts that were recurring under his reign. Fast forward to chapter 2, I've come of age and soon to rule. The pharaoh my father had planned for this day, so we had a witch through a curse or two, a precursor to my life and tomb. For many a year a silent room, until today the voice of whom I follow to the ship of doom, held by people whom I don't presume have any kind of clue of the power reaching out to gather up us all the crew, to take over all the world and everything that we once knew. And now I have a part within, and that is why I'm